Okay guys, I'm going to do a comparison of Battlefield 3 and Modern Warfare 3. Just going to talk about it. I'm going to talk about the graphics, the multiplayer, and the campaign. First of all, we all know Battlefield 3 got better graphics. And this one's debatable, but if I had to choose, Modern Warfare 3 has the better campaign. That's just my opinion. I like the whole story behind it with Makarov, Zakhaev, Yuri. I think I like it because there's three of them. But the multiplayer, this is where we really just start talking about it. I got problems with both of these multiplayers. Why are there perks in Modern Warfare 3? Perks are dumb. They're unrealistic. Why? Why is this dumb stuff in Modern Warfare 3? If I shot a building, nothing happens to it. Why? Why would nothing happen to the building? On Dome, there's the Jeeps, and you can't get in them. Why can't you get in the Jeeps? Unrealistic. Now, I got problems with Battlefield 3 as well. First of all, how do you die from leaving the combat area? And if you're in a real war and you leave the combat area, nothing is gonna happen. Oh yeah, and these maps, Modern Warfare 3 the maps are too small. Okay, back to this. Nothing would happen if you left the combat area. You wouldn't die. Like, for real, man? Come on. Second of all, the destruction in this. Why is it? Okay, you know on Operation Metro, those support beams in the subway station? If I shot them with an RPG, they would break and bring the whole building down. Why does only the tile fall off? So unrealistic. Why? And still about
Come from
leaving the combat area.
Joe.
That can wait.
Come from
So yeah, that's it.
Joe.
Overall, I think Battlefield 3 is better.